case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 2003 case of Guess v. Sharp Manufacturing Company of America, the Tennessee Supreme Court examined whether an employee alleging mental injuries due to perceived exposure to HIV in the workplace was entitled to receive workers' compensation benefits. Mary Guess filed a claim after believing she was exposed to HIV at work and subsequently suffered from a mental disorder. The lower court had initially awarded disability benefits to Guess. However, upon appeal, the Tennessee Supreme Court reversed the decision, stating that the plaintiff must prove actual exposure to HIV through a medically recognized channel of transmission and demonstrate that the injury occurred within the scope of employment. Despite Guess's belief that she had come into contact with the blood of a coworker who she thought to be HIV positive, she produced no credible evidence to support her claims. Consequently, her mental injuries stemming from the fear of contracting HIV were not eligible for compensation under the workers' compensation law. The court emphasized that allowing recovery for mental injuries resulting from perceived or imagined exposure to harmful substances or situations would be contrary to the purpose of the Tennessee workers' compensation law. As Mary Guess failed to meet the stringent requirements set forth, her injuries were deemed non-compensable, and she was ordered to pay the expenses related to the appeal.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.